Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to practice sketching this anime hairstyle. Let's start. I'm teacher Kathy and I'll help you learn how to draw. Now we have this anime drawing book and we are going to try this female hairstyle, the ponytail. So I'll just show you here. This is my drawing notebook. You can get any notebook and we're just going to practice our sketching. Now, every time you start, we always have our guidelines. So teacher is just getting the middle guidelines. And here is our circle. Now, your circle doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but it has to be kind of big so you can practice your wrist and your hand movement whenever you're sketching. So notice my hands, they are not sticking onto the table or onto the paper. They just glide across it as I draw the bottom of the face. So the V kind of looks like, the chin looks like a V, and then we add the ears. Just draw it very, very lightly. This is the part where we're going to start with the bangs. Now, the bangs here, I'll just go very simple with a few curved lines. I'm not going very detailed yet. So we have a few curves, and then this is part of the long bangs that help shape the frame or the face of our character. Now, every time you start, you always start with the forehead or the bangs on the forehead before you go outside. Okay. Now, I'll just draw the arrows. You don't have to draw the arrows here because that's just a way for you to visually see and leave some space. Okay, when you draw anime hairs, they kind of have this big volume on top. You don't want it to go very near the circle sketch or what I call the skull. Okay, so we're gonna add just a few curves, and then if you notice, the sides of the hair, they touch the ears. Okay, they touch the ears. And then last would just be the length of the hair. Okay, now if you find this a little bit fast, you can just pause the video and go back a little. But again, the practice here is really to rough sketch. Okay, I want you to practice learning how to do light and rough sketch, because the purpose of the dark pencil, the 2B pencil, will come after. Or if you want to use a ball pen or a micron pen, you can use that also. Okay, just to refine and polish your drawing. I'm using here a 2B pencil so you can see my final sketches. And I'm gonna go near her ear. I'll add some curves right here. I'll add some extra strands, and this is going to be her hair. Okay, that frames the shape of her face. Mostly you don't see the temples. The temples or the space beside the eyebrows and the eyes, it's usually covered by the bangs or long hair. Now, I'll go to the other side on the right. Okay. I'll just remove that paper because I'm not going to use a pen. But if you are going to use a pen or a marker, you have to put scratch paper under just to save your next page. Okay, there. I'm gonna do the hair first, and here. I'll polish it a little bit. I'll show the ear. There. Then I'll do the shape of the face. Then last would be the high ponytail. The very high ponytail. There, look at the curves. I'm gonna make it kind of twist outward so that it looks like it's landing on her shoulder or on her upper body. This is my 6B. Okay. So this is just extra practice also for your wrist. Okay, we're gonna practice a little bit for your wrist, and normally you don't hold pencils like this when you write, but this is the perfect hand, what do you call this, hand position when you use your 6B, because you use the cheek of your pencil lead. Okay, you achieve a softer shading. I'll just gently go over the lines. Now, my lines are not that many for the bangs. I really made it simple here so that you can just focus on the curves and the placement. It's very important that you get the spacing correctly and it's not too cramped inside the circle or not too cramped together. You want to create that volume and that height for the hair. And lastly, look, I'm just gonna add a little bit of a light shading up here before I go to the high ponytail. I'll just make the back part a little bit darker. Ooh, darker lines here. And again, we practice rough sketch so that you can try on different hairstyles. You can change this once you have your high ponytail. If you don't want it to be very long like this, you can do a little variation. Okay, I'll just add the shoulders and then maybe just the collarbone right there, and that's it. Now, if you want to learn how to draw more anime hairstyles or characters and other lessons, please visit our Facebook page. We have lots of art topics for you to join. It's all online, so you can reach us anywhere around the world. And that's it. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!
And that's our artwork. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.